This is the GrowRanko AI Search Optimizer plugin for WordPress. It's designed to be a very simple tool for creating AI crawlers, enhancing AI visibility, and leveraging LLMs. Let's begin with the free plugin. Installation is incredibly easy. Simply navigate to your WordPress plugins section, click Add New, and search for the GrowRanko AI Search Visibility plugin.
With just one click, you can install and update the plugin. After installation, you'll need to activate it by entering your email ID and the one-time activation code you receive.
Now, you can audit not only your own website, but also other websites. Just be aware that there are audit limitations based on your plan, so use them wisely. When we audit our website, you can see many areas where improvements are needed. GrowRanko uses advanced LLMs to track and analyze your site's performance and identify these gaps.
Let's upgrade to the premium version. With Premium, you unlock powerful additional features like the AI Content Creator and the Keyword Visibility Tracker.
The AI Content Creator will guide you on which keywords are best to optimize your pages for. And with the Keyword Visibility Tracker, you can monitor exactly which keywords are ranking and how they're performing in AI search.
You can add specific keywords to track, then run the tracker to see their current ranking status. The competitor gap analysis is also a crucial feature to identify opportunities.
So, essentially, you can sign in with your GrowRanko account and easily upgrade your plan to access all these advanced features.